Hello, I'm Dr. Shazeen Ansari, a doctor passionate about raising awareness on endocrine health. Today I will be talking about endocrine cancers. I would try to make it simple for our patients. Did you know that endocrine cancers, though rare, can often go undiagnosed until advanced stages? In today's video, we'll break down the basics of endocrine cancers, the glands they affect, common types, and why early detection is critical. Let's understand the endocrine system. The endocrine system is like your body's communication network, using hormones to control vital functions like metabolism, growth, and mood. The glands we'll discuss are crucial for overall health of an individual. The thyroid gland is located in the front of your neck. It is a butterfly-shaped gland. It produces hormones like thyroxine that regulate metabolism, energy levels, and body temperature. When cancer develops here, symptoms may include a persistent lump or swelling, voice changes, difficulty swallowing, and unexplained weight changes. Thyroid cancer is the most common endocrine cancer, and early detection through neck self-exams and medical evaluation is essential. The adrenal glands sit atop your kidneys and produce hormones like cortisol, adrenaline, and aldosterone. These hormones help control metabolism, blood pressure, and stress response. Adrenal cancer is rare but can cause symptoms such as high blood pressure, rapid weight gain, excessive hair growth, or unexplained fatigue. If these symptoms occur, timely testing is crucial for early diagnosis. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain and is often called the master gland. This is because it controls other endocrine glands. It produces growth hormone, prolactin, and ACTH. Pituitary tumors can cause vision changes, headaches, irregular menstrual cycles, or growth abnormalities. Prompt imaging and hormone testing help detect these tumors early. The pancreas are located behind the stomach. They have a dual role. They produce insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar and also help in digestion. Pancreatic neuroendocrine tumors, or NETs, arise from hormone-producing cells. Symptoms may include persistent abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, jaundice, or unusual blood sugar fluctuations. Early detection improves the chances of successful treatment. The parathyroid glands are 4 glands located behind the thyroid. They regulate calcium and phosphorus levels. Cancer here is extremely rare, but can lead to hypercalcemia or increased calcium. Symptoms include bone pain, muscle weakness, excessive thirst, and confusion. Identifying these symptoms early through calcium level checks can significantly aid in managing the condition. Detecting endocrine cancers early can significantly improve outcomes. Regular checkups, awareness of persistent symptoms, and proactive communication with healthcare providers can make a life-saving difference. Hormone level tests, imaging studies, and biopsies are critical tools in diagnosis. Endocrine cancers are uncommon, but their impact on hormone balance can significantly affect daily life. For instance, hormone-producing tumors might cause unexplained emotional changes, energy fluctuations, or unusual weight changes. If you or someone you know is experiencing persistent symptoms, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Knowledge is power, and early action can save lives. Thank you for investing your time in learning about endocrine cancers. Stay informed, stay proactive, And remember, your health is your greatest asset. Thank you.